Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome to the video. So if you're struggling to get views on your search-based channel, then I have something cool for you to show you today that's not only allowed me to increase the views on my search-based channel, but I believe it can help you increase the views on your specific search-based channel as well. I don't see a lot of people actually talking about this, but it is really effective and it's working for other people. It's working for me. So let's go ahead and dive straight into it. So you may know this channel right here, Trevor Nace, one of the biggest channels in the how-to apps niche. Okay, but you can see that they do, if I go to their videos tab right here, you can see that they do the typical how to turn on picture in picture, how to turn off picture in picture and stuff like that. Okay, how to turn on autoplay on YouTube on mobile. Okay, but then in the mix of all their different videos that they upload, you'll see this, like the best free VPN for iPhone 2026. Okay, 2.1k views 10 hours ago. And I'm just trying to find some more right here. Okay, so let me just go to popular, and you can see here just 5 months ago this video got 4.3 million views. Your iPhone tracking you and listening, turn this off. 8 months ago, 2.9 million views. Your Android phone tracking you and listening, turn this off. 2.5 million views 1 year ago. 5 iPhone settings you need to turn off right now. Okay, so what you can see that Trevor Nace is doing is he's incorporating browse-based videos in the mix with his search-based videos, and he's doing these things like iPhone tracking you, iPhone listening to you, turn off this specific setting on different apps. Okay, how to check if someone is spying on you on your phone. 2.2 million views 2 years ago. So he started doing this and it really does work. You can see the views. This one is actually one of the standout ones. 5 months ago, 4.3 million views. Okay, so that's the strategy. You want to go ahead and you want to find these different browse-based topics that you can mix in with your normal search-based topics. That'll boost the views, and you're still going to get long-form RPMs because this isn't shorts. Okay, but shorts will help you out to get more views, and I'll show you that a little bit later. Okay, but he's not the only one doing this specific strategy when it comes to his search-based channel, and I'm sure that had helped him to get to his 1.21 million subscribers. So here's another channel, The Simple Dad. Okay, this one you may be able to resonate with a little bit more because it's just got 52,000 subscribers. And you can see if I go to the videos, let me just scroll down. Okay, you can see he's doing 7 hidden Samsung features you must turn on in 2025. 10k views 2 months ago. And then he does that in combination with his normal how to set up separate app sound on your Samsung Galaxy. Okay, how to apply real liquid glass theme. Okay, and you can see he's getting good views, like 1.6k, 5.5k, 1.3k. But the ones that really get a lot of views is these browse-based ones where Samsung users are sleeping on these 7 good lock features. 13k views 2 months ago. So this is a good strategy, and you can see that it does work. Stop calling wrong, 14k views. 99% of Samsung users don't know these 7 features exist. 13k views 1 month ago. So you could even do more videos than what he's doing right now. You don't have to make them 17-18 minutes long. You can make these like 3 to 5 minutes or 6 minutes, and you can do maybe 1, 2, 3 of these per day, because with YouTube, when you push your videos to subscribers, they will get 3 notifications before you per day before YouTube goes ahead and switches off your notifications for the day. So 3 videos like this per day can grow your channel very, very fast, and it's a really good idea. I've implemented it on my channel. I've seen the views increase on those specific videos that I upload, and you just want to repeat this on a daily basis. So don't stop doing the how-to stuff. do the how-to stuff, but incorporate these browse-based videos and you should be good to go. So a way that you can get topics is you can go to ChatGPT, you can start a new chat, and you can tell ChatGPT something like this: give me 20 Samsung features that a lot of people don't know about yet. And then you can just hit enter, and then it'll give you the 20 hidden and this can be like 2 to 4 videos that you can cover within this one. And then so I asked ChatGPT to give me 20, so let's just get all 20, and then I'll show you what you can do. And you can just cover all these different features in a video and you'll be good to go. And then when you run out, you say give me 20 more features, okay, and here are 20 more hidden features, and then it just goes on. So there's a lot you can actually do with a cell phone that you may not be aware of, and ChatGPT will know all the hidden features that you can go ahead and cover on your channel. So that's great. You will never run out of ideas using ChatGPT to come up with these ideas, because I know just looking at your phone it's pretty difficult. And then another thing, so that's the ChatGPT to come up with ideas. Then you just do these videos. You can see if I click on one of the videos.
So what if your phone could edit your photos like a professional studio?
Okay, you don't have to like do the top-down camera onto the phone with this fancy background. You can just do the normal screen recording. That'll be perfectly fine. And you can see that he just explains the features without showing his face. So this is easily outsourceable. Okay, and then the second thing that you can do to increase your views on your search-based channel is, if we go back to Trevor Nace, we can see that he's actually doing shorts as well. Okay, so here's his shorts, and you can see that these ones aren't getting a lot of views, but we want to scroll down, and you can see like 1.4k, okay, 1.8k, and you're gonna just upload these shorts consistently, and then you'll get breakout shorts that get like 200,000, 300,000 views. Okay, and then those will earn you quite a nice income. But you can see his specific shorts aren't really gaining traction. Okay, 7.1k, 1.5k. Shorts are quite funny because you have to kind of break out of a specific view jail before you get a lot of views on your YouTube shorts. So the trick is to just stay consistent, and you'll eventually break out if you have good shorts. And then you'll get some good views that can boost your views and your AdSense revenue by about $45 to $50 per day if you're getting some good views on your shorts. Okay, so he hasn't broken out of that view jail here. Okay, that one got 38k. So he hasn't done a lot of YouTube shorts. If you go to another channel called Guard Realm, okay, he experimented with some shorts, I believe. So you can see 10k, 141k. This is what I'm talking about. You'll upload, if I just go here, 3.1k. Okay, that one didn't hit. And then 121k. So that video alone can earn you like $50 just for simple 1 minute short. 8.3k, 367k. So if you break out of that view jail, 425k. If you break out the view jail, you have a high chance to actually get views. So if you actually want to dive a little bit more deeper into search-based YouTube automation and you need a little bit more help and guidance, you can go ahead and click the first link in the video description. It'll take you to my school community, and it's 100% free. You just request to join, and there's a community of like-minded YouTubers all on the same journey together. Can post if you need help. If you go to the classroom tab, there's a beginner's guide course. I'm going to be adding more courses pretty soon, so you want to get in the group before those courses launch, and then you can just basically get direct access to me. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.